In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a Gmail shortcut to your Windows 10 desktop quickly and easily. This is a really useful trick if you want faster access to your email without opening Chrome and typing the Gmail address every single time. With a desktop shortcut, you can get straight into your inbox in just one click. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 10 computer. You'll want to use Chrome for this method because it makes creating a Gmail shortcut very straightforward. Once Chrome is open, go to mail.google.com. This will take you directly to the Gmail login page or your inbox if you're already signed in. Next, sign in to your Gmail account if you haven't already. Enter your email address and password, then complete any verification steps if Google asks you to. After you're signed in and Gmail is fully loaded, look to the top right corners of the Chrome browser. You'll see the three-dot menu icon. Click that menu to open the browser options. From the menu, find and click Create Shortcut. This option tells Chrome to make a desktop shortcut for the current website. A small window will appear asking you to name the shortcut. You can keep the default name or type something custom like Gmail, My Email, or whatever makes the most sense for you. Once you've entered the shortcut name, click Create. Chrome will then place the shortcut on your Windows 10 desktop automatically. Now minimize your browser or go to your desktop and you should see the Gmail shortcut ready to use. Double-click it and Gmail should open right away in Chrome for quick access. And that's it. You've successfully added a Gmail shortcut to your Windows 10 desktop. This is a simple but time-saving way to make checking your email much faster every day. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy Windows and Google tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.